Did you know your beautiful Tesla with all its glass can feel like a greenhouse on a sunny day? We're talking uncomfortably hot. But don't worry, today we're going to fix that. We're diving into the absolute best tints and shades to keep your car cool, private, and protected. We'll break down the top options, compare them head to head, and crown an overall winner. The TechnoWave ready to beat the heat? Let's get into it. All the links are in the description below, so you can check them out for yourself. We're starting our countdown with number 6. Number 6. FDAIUN. Precut Tint Kit for Model 3. 20182019. Kicking things off, we have the FDAIUN Precut Tint Kit for the older Model 3. This is your all-in-one budget-friendly DIY solution. It comes with pre-cut pieces for every window, which is a huge time saver, giving you a darker 20% tint for privacy on the sides and rear, and a lighter 80% tint for the front windshield to keep things legal and safe. While it does a decent job blocking heat and UV rays for the price, the film itself isn't as thick or clear as the premium brands. The biggest challenge? The installation. Applying tint without getting those dreaded bubbles and creases is tough, and if you mess up, there's no do-overs. This kit is perfect for the patient DIYer on a tight budget, but if you're not confident in your skills, you might want to keep watching. Number 5. Epltion upgraded sunshade for Model Y. Next up at number 5, we have something totally different. The Epltion sunshade set for the Model Y. Forget permanent tint. This is an 8-piece kit designed for ultimate privacy and sun blocking when you're parked. Think of it as blackout curtains for your car. It's fantastic for Tesla's camp mode or just keeping the cabin from overheating in a parking lot. Installation is a breeze. They just pop into the window frames, no tools needed. The downside is you absolutely cannot drive with the side window shades in, and you'll need a place to store them when they're not in use. This is a must-have for campers and anyone who needs total privacy when stationary. Number 4. FDAIUN Precut Tint Kit for Model S. 20142019. At number 4, we see another kit from FDAIUN, this time tailored for the classic Tesla Model S. Just like its Model 3 counterpart, this is a super affordable, full-vehicle DIY kit. You get pre-cut film with that same smart combo, 20% tint for the side and rear windows for privacy, and a lighter 80% for the windshield. It delivers great value by providing everything you need to block sun and prying eyes at a fraction of the cost of a professional job. However, it shares the same potential drawbacks. The film quality is good for the price, but not top tier, and the DIY installation is extremely challenging. If you're a Model S owner who loves a good project and wants to save a ton of money, this is for you. Number 3. TWRAPS rear doors. Tint for Model 3 Highland. Breaking into our top 3 is the TWRAPS kit for the new Model 3 Highland, and this one is special. Instead of a full kit, it focuses only on the 2 rear doors. This is genius for 2 reasons. It's cheaper, and it uses high-quality nanoceramic film. Ceramic tint is a big deal because it blocks a ton of heat, in this case, 50%, without interfering with your phone or car's signals. At 20% darkness, it's perfect for keeping backseat passengers comfortable and matching a factory front tint. Of course, the DIY installation is still a challenge, and it's not a full car solution. But if you only need to tint your rear windows and want premium quality, this is an amazing targeted option. Number 2. DeserTint Precut Ceramic Tint for Model 3. Our runner-up at number 2 is the DeserTint Precut Ceramic Kit for the Model 3. This is where DIY tint gets serious. Like the TWRAPS kit, it uses premium ceramic film for amazing heat rejection and 99% UV blocking. But the killer feature here is customization. You get to choose how dark you want your tint, from a light 50% all the way down to a super dark 5% limo tint. This lets you get the exact look and privacy you want. While it's more expensive than basic kits, you're paying for professional-grade material. The only hurdle, and it's a big one, is the install, especially on that massive Model 3 rear window. This is the ultimate kit for the confident DIYer who wants a custom, high-performance result without the professional price tag. Number 1. BASENOR 6 PC Sunshade. For Model S/S Plaid. And at number 1, we have the BASENOR 6-piece Sunshade set for the newer Model S and Plaid. Similar to the Epltion shades, this is a non-permanent, full-coverage solution. It's designed for total privacy and maximum heat reflection when parked, making it an absolute game-changer for car camping or leaving your car in the blazing sun. The reflective outer surface does a fantastic job of bouncing sunlight away, keeping the interior significantly cooler. They are custom-fit, install in minutes without any tools, and can be folded away for storage. Just like the other shades, you can't drive with them in, and they do take up some space. For any Model S owner who values privacy and protection while parked, this is the best accessory you can buy. And that's a wrap. I hope this breakdown helps you choose the perfect sun solution for your Tesla. If this video helped you out, do me a huge favor and smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome Tesla content, and let me know your top pick in the comments below. Remember, you can find all the products we talked about today in the links down below. All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.